This is the 3D Printer Academy pinball machine. It's a 100% 3D printable, fully customizable pinball machine. The only thing that's not 3D printed is the steel ball, and this makes the gameplay really satisfying. 3D print the pinball machine in your favorite colors or style. Here you can see our neon style, our cheese style, and our throwback 90s style. And there's even a spot for a customizable theme plate. You can even keep score with our 100% mechanical counting mechanism. And assembly is very easy with all of our threaded connections. The playfield is fully customizable and modular, and we have a ton of different attachments that you can pick from. And we're currently in the process of designing a lot more attachments throughout the duration of this campaign. We even have an attachment that allows you to play multiplayer pinball. Also, we're doing something we've never done before on Kickstarter. We're releasing the CAD files in addition to the STL files, so it's even more customizable. The 3D Printer Academy pinball machine is not just a fun project to 3D print and build. The whole build assembly process is actually really satisfying. It's also really fun to play, and it's really cool to display. Don't miss your chance to get this project before anyone else, exclusively on Kickstarter.